Hello, in today's video we're going to see how to set up the schedule viewer configuration. This function will be useful when we want to customize some features about how the agents are going to see their schedules in WebStation. So we need to log into WebStation as a supervisor. Then if we click here in the Schedules tab, and then right here we have a Schedule Viewer Configuration. Okay. Something to keep in mind here is that this configuration, we can do it at the management unit level or the agent data group level. If we want to do it at the agent data group level, we have to click here in the right top corner, the change button, and then right here we can see the preferred agent data group. I'm going to click on continue to show you the options. So here in the main page, we are going to have the following options. So the first option is enable audible alert. If we select this option, the agents are going to receive a beep from the PC when they receive a schedule change alert. In the second option on the screen, we can display for the agent some information about the schedule, like the current schedule activity, next schedule activity, and the last modification of the schedule. We just have to check this option, and this information will be displayed on the information panel from the agent side. The last option that we have here on the screen is the activity code reminders. We can activate visible reminders for the agents for one specific activity code. If we check this option, then we can customize the next two options more. We can set reminders for 5 minutes, 10, 15, 30 minutes, 45 or 60 before the scheduled activity. And we can also activate the enable audible reminder. If we check this option, we should or we can use the following options. Choose the activity codes. If we click on it, the system will display all the activity codes that we have on the environment, and we can select for which activity codes we want to send or we want to activate those reminders for the agents. If you want to add a new activity code, we just have to check the option here and then accept. Once we set up all the parameters that we want to configure here, we can scroll down and then hit on save. Remember that these parameters is going to affect the agent side. This is how the agents are going to view their schedule in WebStation. Right here, the system is going to confirm what is the agent data group and the agent data value for which you want to configure or display these parameters. Right? So we confirm the name of the EMU, the name of the agent data group, and the name of the agent data value. So I'm going to click here on continue, and that's it. If we want to confirm how these parameters are going to affect WebStation for the agents, we can see it here from the agent side, and then if you scroll down, for example, right here we have the information panel. I just disabled this parameter. Now, what will happen if you activate that information panel? Then we will see the following information. Right? We have the current schedule activity for the agent, the name of the activity code, open, the start time and the end time. The next schedule activity, in this case, is an schedule. When the schedule are released, December the 10th to December 26th. The last modification on the schedules, and the page last refreshed. And this is how we can configure the schedule viewer configuration.